Hi, my name is Carl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a hoe in Minecraft. It's good to know how to do this because you can use the hoe for farming or harvesting wheat or anything like that in the game. So in order to make a hoe, you have to have a crafting table, which I have here, and if you right click on that crafting table, it opens it up, and you're going to need sticks and then something for the top of the hoe, either cobblestone, iron, or even diamonds if you have that. And the way that you do this is to grab the sticks and you put two in the middle, up the very center, and then you take your iron ingot and you can do it on either side across the top, but you'll need one in the middle and then one to the right. Now you can also put one on the left and it does the same thing. But there you have an iron hoe, and you can leave the crafting table and use it for chopping down grass. So my name is Carl, and I just showed you how to make a hoe in Minecraft, and I hope you enjoyed it.